What was that?
I am a Gundam.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video, Gundam Fan, and today's video is an update on the wing car progress. As you can see, all the wings are, well, it just looks like it's been run over and there's feathers everywhere. Excuse me, my voice is really croaky and it's starting to fail on me, so I'm going to do my best. Sorry, the suit itself is in a state where I'm kind of happy. I still need to do all the decals for it and give it a top coat, but the wings, I've given them a paint. I'm not going to do any pre-shading or any sort of fancy colours with the wings because I want it to look as pure as possible, because there's a special coating that I want to go and find to put on the wings once they've been panel lined, once they've been decaled. I want to get a final top coat that I have in mind that I want to try and get hold of. But I just wanted to give you guys an update as to where I am with the kit for the playlist. As you can see by the video that I put at the beginning, it's not looking too bad. I'm quite happy with it. That's about it really in terms of the update. The wings are all pretty, you know, they're solid pieces. There's no real technical elements to them, because once they're all sandwiched and plugged in, that's it. So it's not too technical. So I've given them all a paint, a primer, a paint, and I've just given them a varnish with acrylic varnish, because I want to panel line them and I don't want that to interfere with the coat underneath. As always, I always use this flash multi-surface wax acrylic because it doesn't react with enamel, and it acts as a barrier between paint and the enamel. That way, when you put the enamel on, you can just wipe it off without trusty Zippo, and you get the desired look that you want. But that is essentially it, guys. Just a quick update. I'm not feeling too well, so I just wanted to get this video out so you've got something to chew on, so you know where I'm at with the process. And here we are. This is only going to take a couple of hours to dry, so I'm going to let this dry, and then probably later on today come back with the panel liner and give it all panel line wash, and then let that dry for about 20 minutes, come back, give it all a clean up, and then probably I'll be in a state to do all the decals then, possibly tomorrow. Just sit down and smash out all the decals. So by the end of the week, with any luck, the suit itself will have its wings and it'll all be like complete, barring the shield and the weaponry, which are still processes underway. But there you go, just a little 5-minute video just to show you what's going on. Oh man, I'm really struggling. So yeah, thanks for joining, thanks for subscribing, thanks for following, all that sort of stuff. Catch me on Twitch. I do live builds on Twitch. I'll put all the links to all the socials down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, because it really helps with the algorithm and getting these couple of videos out there. So if you watch the video and you like the wing, you like Gundams, if you smash the like button, I'd really appreciate that. Consider subscribing. And if you got this far, I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I will continue to update on this build probably within the next couple of days as to where I am with it, so you're in the loop. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.